Hello and welcome to Shimmy's Kitchen. So today I am making super delicious mutton white korma, which is not only easy to make but taste amazing with rice, idli, dosa, appam and idiyappam. So this texture of this curry itself makes us feel hungry. So let's see how we make it. In a large bowl, add 500 grams mutton. Goes in 1 tablespoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, half cup curd. Mix this nicely. Goes in 2 tablespoon green chili paste. Mix well and set aside. Add 20 almonds, 20 cashews, 2 tablespoon watermelon seeds, 2 tablespoon milk. Blend it nicely and set aside. Heat 2 to 3 tablespoon oil in a pressure cooker. Add 1 cinnamon, 1 black cardamom, 2 green cardamom, 1 green chili, 1 cup onion paste. Saute till it changes the color. And now I'm going to add marinated mutton. Mix well and cook for 5 to 10 minutes. And now I'm going to add 1 cup water. Mix well. Close the lid and pressure cook for 6 to 7 whistles. Once done, add almond and cashew paste. Mix nicely. And now I'm going to add freshly chopped coriander leaves. Goes in 1 cup fresh cream. Give this a very good mix. And now I'm going to cook this for 5 minutes in a slow flame. Once done, transfer this in a serving bowl and serve immediately. This delightful white mutton korma can be ready in 45 minutes. The best thing about the mutton in white gravy is that its gravy has a beautiful color. You can serve this korma recipe with naan, appam, roti, dosa. So give this a try and let me know how it turned out for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more such amazing recipes. Stay tuned and have a nice day.